Hey Spices! So I know you are under a lot of stress right now. You have gone to the grocery store and they are out of a lot of ingredients. So I'm going to start sharing with you some recipes that you can take ingredients from your pantry and cook with. These are delicious, easy recipes. So in today's video, we are going to be cooking some dried pinto beans in the Instant Pot. So let's go spice things up. Okay, so the first thing you want to add to your pot is 6 cups of chicken broth. What I'm doing is I'm doing 6 cups of water and 6 teaspoons of chicken bouillon flavor. So if you don't happen to have chicken broth on hand, this is always a really good staple if you can't go anywhere. It's just dried mix. Anyway, so that's what I am putting in here. Next, I'm adding my ham bone to the pot. This was from Christmas time and I just put it in the freezer just to save for recipes like this. And you just want to put it right in the pot. Next, I'm adding 2 cups of dried pinto beans. I measured them in a measuring cup, of course, and then rinsed them just so you make sure you get all the dirt or the rocks out of there, and just pour it right into the water portion so that they're submerged in the water. Next to my pot, I'm adding an onion. This is actually a half of a large onion, and I already chopped it up, but it could be also a small onion. Next, you'll want to mince 4 garlic cloves. Next, we're going to add a half of a jalapeno. These are the pre-sliced ones that you can buy in the store in the jar already. I like to have these on hand in the refrigerator as well. They don't go bad as fast. Anyways, you'll just want to put them in. Next, we're adding 1 teaspoon of cumin and ½ teaspoon of chili powder. And then some salt and pepper. I, of course, put my pot in my base, and we're just gonna put the lid on. And of course, turn the vent to ceiling. Next, I'm gonna turn it on the soup broth button, and I wanna cook it for 45 minutes. And then we are gonna let it naturally release for 15 minutes. All right, so it's been 15 minutes and we are going to release the valve. All right, so now we're gonna open our pot. Okay, so now you'll wanna take your ham hock and just take it out so you can take the meat off, so you can cut the meat off of it. And the meat easily comes off since it's been cooking with the beans for a while. Well, as I'm cutting my bone, my dog is here waiting. Here's a little bit of the fat from it. So here you go. Sit. No, I did not say roll over. Sit. Good girl. All right, now I gotta go wash my hands. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the meat that I got off the bone and just put it right back into the pot with the beans. And now I'm gonna stir it. Now for us, we don't just eat it like this. However you can kind of eat it like a soup, but we put ours over rice. So we just make some rice in the rice cooker and then just take a spoonful or 2 of this and put it right over our rice. And then it is done and you're ready to eat. Stay safe out there, guys. Do not stress. Comment down below with the ingredient you have in your pantry that you want me to cook with in the next video. Well, thank you guys so much. Bye. And see you in the next video.